Correct. You don't try to attack.
To talk and pet birds.
So basically it's good time pass, no? Teaching the parrot how to speak and training the parrot. It's fun. It's a hobby.
Pet. If you have copies, you can make it sit on your hand.
You can make it?
Sit on your hand.
Yeah. So basically we can person being locked up inside, you don't get to do exercise. And if you don't exercise, you're going to become?
Yeah. Weak.
Die is like really farther, but yes, eventually you'll become unhealthy, your muscles will go, you become weak. Yeah.
I like being in the cave because it's more.
Seeds, put it out the window. The birds will come. So your hand becomes a bird feeder, right? Correct? Take your old tiffin box. You're not using your old tiffin box? Did you go to the tuck shop?
That's why my.
You had ice cream. What are we raising money for?
Birds.
Yeah, to free the birds. Tuck shop? Did you like it? What did you buy from the tuck shop?
I buy cotton candy, surprise bags.
Do you know what we're raising money for?
Huh?
Do you know what we're raising money for?
Yes. For needy people.
Yeah, no, actually this time we're going to raise money to free the birds.
What is the problem?
Do you guys know why we're raising money? Why? Why are you raising money?
To make bird feeders.
To make bird feeders, and we're going to free birds.